Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we are going to check out the November Macy's Beauty Box together. Before we dive into this Macy's box, if you do like this video and videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, let's check out this new Macy's box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a $15 monthly subscription. You will usually get a coupon in here for $5 or $10 towards your next beauty purchase at Macy's. There are going to be samples, sometimes full size, and most of the time a surprise item. I cannot wait to see what is in this one together. And last time I figured out there's a rip tab on top so I don't have to glue my hand to the box, so I'm excited for that. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. You can see the box completely falls apart. We do have a coupon for $5 off of our next purchase, so I'm excited for that. I'm going to see what our surprise item is. This is something that they put in additional to the products in the box that are from the beauty department. So I've gotten beauty hair makeup clips to pull my hair back. I've gotten a fan. I've gotten, last month was a lava oil roller. So this month, oh, okay. I was like, what is this? This is one of those thingies that you get cold, and this one has an insulator, I guess, and you use it as a deep puffer and get your puffies down and kind of do it like a, ooh, that's even cool just as it is, to go under your eyes and around where you have puffies to get those down. So that's kind of cool. I've never had one of these before. You'd think with all the boxes I've gotten I would have had one of these, but not yet. So that is our surprise item, and it is glass, so they packaged it really well to keep it safe. As always, the products are wrapped up in pink tissue paper. I'm going to set the box down so I can get this open. Okay, so let's get it all unwrapped and see what we got. Ooh, okay. We have all sample sizes, it looks like, in here. We will start with an Elizabeth Arden. This is 8-hour Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. And this is a little squeezy tube sample, but they put it in a card so you have information about how to use it and all the good things about it. And this is a 5 ml size, so not the tiniest thing ever, but not super big, but it's enough to try it a few times. I always will tell you, these are great for travel sizes, so you don't have to take a bunch. So that was our first one. Our next one is from Kiehl's, and this is Kiehl's Cream Decor. And it doesn't say, but it looks very much like just a hand cream. I'll have to look it up. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with this product. It doesn't have directions for use that I can see. Doesn't mean it's not there. I just can't see it. Let's see. No, it doesn't say what it is, but I think it's going to be just a moisturizing, like hand cream, body lotion. But I'll put in the corner here what it actually is. But we have a 1 ounce Kiehl's product. Our next one is from Origins, and this is Plant Fusion. And this is a 5 ml size of a hydrating body souffle moisturizer. So this is a body moisturizer, body cream, and we have a 5 ml size of that. So you've got that one. Oh, okay. I'm excited for this. This is the Tony Moly Plumpkin Eye Cream. I forget now which box it was. It may have been another Macy's box, but we got the pumpkin eye patches from Tony Moly, which I have used. But a recent, I want to say FabFitFun, maybe the summer FabFitFun, had this product and the little pumpkin, or no, it would have been the fall FabFitFun because it was a pumpkin, had a little pumpkin of this cream, and I really wanted to get it, but I wanted something else in that category more, so I didn't get it. So this is the Retinol Eye Cream from Tony Moly, and this is called Plumpkin, and we got, I'm going to guess this is a 5 ml size, but I can't see a size on here, but that looks very much like a 5 or 7 ml size. I like that one. That's fun. Our next one is from MAC, and this is Hyper Real, and this is a Ceramizer Skin Balancing Hydration Serum, and this is a 5 ml size as well. So let's see what this one looks like inside. It looks like they just put a squeezy tube in a box. Yeah, we got a little MAC squeezy tube, 5 ml size. If this is a 5 ml, this might be a 7 ml, unless it's just not full all the way. Oh, okay. I see finally. This is 10 mil. Okay, so this is 1/3 of an ounce. It's just at the top really tiny. But this is, the Plumpkin one, Tony Moly, is 10 mil. The Little Mac is 5 mil. So this was a very decent box. For our $15, we got that cool depuffer thingamajiggy. I'm not exactly sure what those are called, but the little wand. We got Elizabeth Arden. We got MAC. We got Kiehl's. We got Tony Moly, which is one of my favorite Korean beauty, K-beauty brands. And we got Origins. So we got a great box. We got 5 actual products plus our surprise item. So if you guys are interested in subscribing to Macy's for yourself, I will leave the link below. $15 a month. It typically is a month gap. So if you order this month in November, your first box will probably be January. So it's not a thing where if you love this box, you sign up and you get this box, you won't get your box probably till January, unless they've changed it and you get it beginning in December. But as far as I know, it's still going to be a gap in there. So that was our Macy's box. I want to thank you guys for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.